My name is Stefanie Green, and I'm the school librarian at Kearney High School in Kearney, Nebraska. Personally, as a librarian, I have loved Screencastify for the professional development sessions I've led throughout the year. When we adapted Canvas in the fall, I started leading bi-monthly training sessions with our staff. And while I held the sessions in person, it was always super beneficial to provide links or demos of the different steps or different resources that we went over in those sessions so teachers could refer back to them. Plus, we had some teachers who couldn't attend at different points, and so they always had a full recording, an extended recording of the session, or just the short demo recordings to show them step by step what we go over. I always forward that hyperdoc out with my training resources to our middle schools as well, and to our curriculum directors. And so it kind of has allowed me to spread the content across the district as well. Instead of just sharing it with our Kearney High School staff, we were able to get that training material out to both of our middle schools and have it be an accessible, easy way for them to get some additional professional development on our transition to Canvas this fall. Further, I frequently use Screencastify for answering short technology questions that teachers send my way. I've turned into a go-to for some of their technology questions this year, and it has really been helpful to provide a quick response and have a way to explain it other than just typing a 3-paragraph email with instructions. So I usually just pull up Screencastify, record a quick video, and then share the response with the teacher. And they've got a 10-second or a 30-second or a 1-minute demo explaining to them exactly how to resolve the issue that they were facing. So far, Screencastify has also been vital to many of our teachers' content delivery this year. For example, our science teachers learned to record, or teamed up to record, all of their pre-labs, and they now have a stockpile of those videos that they pull from for each unit and can continue to use year after year. They turned it into more of a flipped learning environment, so they recorded those videos, then they send the content home for students and embed the video in an ed puzzle, so they still have the accountability factor of knowing whether or not students completed the full piece. And I love the way they approach that and use Screencastify in an extended fashion, but a really beneficial fashion for their students as well. Overall, I believe video-based learning will continue to grow and expand even when we are fully back to in-person learning. Teachers have really appreciated the way it allows students to catch up quickly if they miss a class, and it offers great review opportunities for students too. Instead of a teacher reteaching a ton of content, they can easily say, watch these videos, do a little bit of a refresher on your own, and then we can answer the important hard-hitting questions in class and go over that content rather than reviewing everything. I've also seen great benefits when putting students to the test and asking them to record themselves responding to a question. In a class I will be teaching this fall, I'm planning to do that, and it'll be kind of an extended project over the course of the term, but students will record themselves responding to a question, and it really shows their critical thinking as well as their knowledge on the content when you force them to put it in their own words and really explain it that way. So overall, we've loved Screencastify. I use it almost daily, and I would highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for an easy-to-use video recording tool.